Hey everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to show you another example project. I believe I got this off the File Central again. Essentially, as I'm looking at the various metrics that you can use for risk management, we all know that volatility is important, implied volatility is important. So one of the metrics that you would typically want to use is when you can get the right type of data is to be able to assess the volatility, the forecast volatility with implied volatility, and this is specifically used for more options. So it's a great indicator for a variety of things in terms of liquidity and just any sort of potential shocks coming down the system that you might not be aware of. So I found this project, thought I'd put this up here just to showcase that this could be used as a way to use for risk management. So in this example, there are, let me just load up the source here. Just got it running here. Actually, no. So typically what will happen is this source will basically load in all the maturity strike call price, again from your option chain data. You can no longer get that through Yahoo Finance. You can't download it programmatically, but you can get it through other source providers like IQFeed's a good one. So hopefully I'll be using them quite regularly and using option data for the implied volatility calculator. So let me just walk you through this real fast. So we have this data. In this case, it's the SPX. Let me just load her up. And what you have is your calls, your strike, and your pricing, and that's that. So that's typically used from this set of data from this Excel spreadsheet. We've got our risk, so on and so forth. And what we do is we just plot a surface plot. So I'm running it right now. Loads in the data, gets all the acquired needed information, maturity strike, whole price, and from here we can get a typical plot, a surface plot in this case. And this is pretty cool. A lot of people don't know about this. I was just out with somebody regarding the capabilities of MATLAB, where you can zoom in and out. Oh, I don't think you can. No, it's not enough information on it. Maybe this may work. Oh, here we go. Yeah, so you can rotate all that cool stuff in MATLAB, and you can get an idea of how the market's looking with the implied volatility. Okay, so let me load up the other example. It's pretty well similar to the other one. And let me just run it. Same idea. And these are pretty useful. So if I'm watching on a regular basis, I could have this get refreshed every so often and be able to watch this kind of like in real time, showing other ways to feed data into these into MATLAB. So that can be definitely done down the line. But I just wanted to highlight this potential way to measure risk, or part of risk management is for implied volatility, and be able to chart a surface plot in real time, hopefully. Nothing fancy, but it can be pretty effective. Other than that, hopefully this will help you out. And yeah, again, this is really used for more options trading or just watching options to see what's happening in option chain data, forecast market direction. Talk to you later. And of course, before I forget, it's using the Black-Scholes model as well, the BLS price. Talk to you later.